Welcome to ITDIY. Today I'm going to show you how to download, install and get registration of Internet Download Manager. Click in the search bar Internet Download Manager. Click enter. Now open the website of Internet Download Manager. Click on the download option. Now click download Internet Download Manager. IDM installer is being downloaded. Click on the three dots and select download option. Open it in download folder. Double click the installer application. So the installation will be started. Click on the next. Accept the agreement. Next. 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 Now it is being downloaded. Installed. Now click on the finish. Check the video's description and copy the link I have put there. Put it in search bar or enable the extension in Google Chrome. Click on enable extension. Okay, now check the the description link. Paste it in search bar. Download it by clicking on three dots. Okay, now it is downloaded. Go to the download folder and check, there would be a folder with this name, IDM trial reset. Now click on it, double click on it. You would get three options: trial reset, register and help. Click on trial reset. Reset the IDM trial now. By clicking on it, the IDM would work perfectly well for the next 30 days. After 30 days, you have to repeat the process, and it is the best method so far, and it works on every IDM version. Here it goes. You have 30 days trial now. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.